LMND stock analysis and LMND stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. And I'm the only person in this space that's done 42,000 videos and documented them all. You know, I've seen what's printing me money and what is not. Especially now with Lemonade, bro, it's such a good bullish market. Okay, yeah, here we come. Here's the top of the range. Is the daily structure here, and I'm actually a big fan. I mean, I was waiting for a second break, never got it, and I kind of abandoned this, and now it's starting to creep back up. And how I'm looking at this is obviously I'm trying to jump in and not miss out. There is that FOMO, it's starting to kick in, but am I gonna immediately buy? No. So this means that as long as there is a confirmation, I'm gonna look to buy, and if not, well, I guess I'm not buying. It's really that simple. So LMND, look at this. I don't know why no results pop up, but if you do want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.